Hey, all, Keith Collins here. Hey, so I just wanted to get you some information about the mastermind. I've got Ryan Christensen on. Ryan Christensen is actually a regional marketing coordinator for our Pacific Northwest department of Movement Mortgage. But that's not just what he does. This guy has got a resume associated with digital media and marketing that's a mile long. This guy actually does the replay editing for the Seattle Seahawks as well as the Sounders. He is the co-founder of RE Real Estate Source, which is probably one of the largest syndicated weekly videos in the real estate industry that we have. He does all the editing, all the distribution, all the Facebook and social media marketing associated with running that platform. So he's going to come in and talk to us about what do we need to do as real estate agents right now from a digital media standpoint. How do we conduct really, really great Facebook ads, and how do we convert those types of leads? So I'm really excited about that conversation. See you all there. Take care.